have been requesting me that to give a little insight into this week. But Friday was good. Friday to अच्छा रहा. So people are still worried. They think that crash हो जाएगा, crash होने का chance है. Good market could crash. अरे why you worry? मैं हूँ ना. Erratic, it will become little erratic. Market थोड़ा erratic रहेगा वैसे. ठीक है. तो the thing that you should remember is that yes, I agree that the markets are a little overheated. At the same time, still we are not reached that stage. We definitely have to be cautious, but we have to be cautious every day. I will tell you in advance when that big one is coming. One thing I can tell you, it is coming for sure. The markets will present a lot of surprises this week, especially in the mid sessions, in between, and sometimes towards the end of the trading day. You will see many jolts this week. The options expiration day can be very traumatic. There will be lots of ups and downs which may be there, which is unlike normally what you see is a premium eating. But this time the options expiration day will present some good jolts, ups and downs both. So I look at it in that context. There will be lots of sudden twists you may find, especially as I explained, many days in this week. And I think we have one holiday in this week. So in these days, you will find that suddenly the market has suddenly fallen, suddenly risen. It can happen, as I explained to you, mid-session and close towards the close also. Very good chances of these hiccups happening. Could be sudden falls, could be sudden rises, which I will explain to you in due course. Which I give in advance, by the way, to Premium Plus and Premium, we tell them in advance. Okay. Now, Tamil Nadu goes through a full 1 week intense lockdown. Now see, all these things are good, but I'm beginning to think of something very different. See, Maharashtra, for example, has many of the grocery shops and all open from 7 to 11. Yesterday also in my video I have explained that people have to learn the message of Corona. But if you go in the 7 to 11 also, people are falling on top of each other. Social distancing is still not there. Still not learned the lessons of Corona. I just can't understand why somebody like a spiritual leader or even a national leader can't explain. Everybody only is treating Corona as an enemy. It is an enemy. It is causing so many deaths. But learn the lessons of Corona. Social distancing is absolutely crucial. People are not ready to learn. Another is the sense of giving, helping people. Okay. Even in neighborhoods, you see neighbors, they have closed their doors. They're not willing. If they, at the most superficially, they may wish you sorry, wish you speedy recovery and whatever. But if you need some help, neighbors are not willing to come forward. Corona cannot go away. It will keep coming in different mutations until and unless you learn the lessons of Corona. And one more thing, many state governments are talking that we should prepare for the third wave. And after the third wave is coming, so prepare. But third wave will not come when after second wave is over, immediately third wave will come. No. Third wave will come when you are not prepared. There is a lesson of Corona. Corona is a thing which has come with a very deep meaning and significance. Okay? So friends, please be cautious. Don't take this as a joke. I'm sure many of my subscribers do believe in social distancing and wearing masks is very, very essential. You must be tired by now hearing all this on TV, on your ringtones, on your mobile phones, and all that. But I still feel that India is lagging behind as far as social distancing is concerned. Maybe some good leaders, Prime Minister has done such a good job, but others also come and encourage people. You go to shops, what is this going on? There's zero social distancing. Just falling on top of each other, it's just one is rubbing the shoulders with the other. What have we learned? Only go to vaccination. Vaccination is not the answer. You can't understand what's the significance of coronavirus, why it came in this world. That's why nobody knows when it will end. Even the new breed of astrologers, they also cannot predict, because they have not understood. 9 planets, no, they come with some significance in anybody's, in the national horoscope, in the world's horoscope, if you see. I am not an astrologer, but I can say they came with a certain mission. There is a certain confluence of events which causes such events to happen in the world. And when that confluence of planets goes away, then that event disappears. But that, for it to happen, people have to accept the fact that why this particular pandemic came. Okay? So, a topsy-turvy week, some good days, lots of surprises in many mid-sessions and end of the day's trading, many days. Especially you find lots of ups and downs on the options expiration day. So, do get in touch with us if you'd like to be a part of Premium or Premium Plus. The number for contact is 9820861044. भाई और बहनों, सेशन के बीच में कई बार, उसके अंत में कई बार आप देखेंगे सडन बढ़त और सडन गिरावटें आती रहेंगी. तो जुड़ते रहेंगे हमारे साथ. प्रीमियम या प्रीमियम प्लस ज्वाइन करेंगे. आपको कब कब आएगा सब बताएंगे अच्छी तरह से. और ऑप्शंस एक्सपिरेशन का डे जो है इस बार काफ़ी करवटें लेगा, कई बार करवटें लेगा, तो काफ़ी लोगों को सरप्राइज होगा. एट द सेम टाइम एक दिन कम भी है ट्रेडिंग का मेरे ख्याल से, जहाँ तक अगर मैं राइट हूँ तो नहीं भी है तो भी हम फैक्टर कर लेंगे उसको, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है. लेकिन कोरोना का जो मैसेज है, थर्ड वेव का बस तैयारी कर गई, बस सेकेंड हो जाएगा, थर्ड आएगा, ऐसा नहीं आता है. थर्ड वेव आएगा जब आप तैयार नहीं है और आपने लेसन नहीं सीखे कोरोना के. आप सब सोचते होंगे क्या बोल रहे हैं सर, हाँ सब लोग दुखी हैं, लोग मर रहे हैं और आप बोल रहे हैं कि लेसन सिखाने आया. भाई कौन सा लेसन हमने नहीं सीखा? कुछ सीखा ही नहीं, तभी तो कोरोना जा नहीं रहा. नहीं तो वो आप लोगों को नमस्ते करके चल गया होता. अब तक कुछ सीखा ही नहीं. बड़े एस्ट्रोलॉजर है भाई, आके उनको बताना चाहिए कब बंद होगा. वो जो मेरे असिस्टेंट है वो बोले कि सर आप ढूंढते हैं किसका कुछ राइट है. उनके हिसाब से तो एक साल पहले आने ही 2 महीने में खलास हो जाना चाहिए था, नहीं हुआ. चलो ये भी मैं एक वीडियो तो आपको प्रॉमिस किया था ना, बिटकॉइन का मैंने एक महीना पहले बनाया था और बोला था कि क्रैश होने वाला. हो गया 50% तो गया, तो उसको क्रैश ही कहते हैं. एक वीडियो में बनाऊंगा आपको कोरोना वायरस का अंत कब होगा. ठीक है, चलो ये काम की बात है. ये कब होगा, इसका कब और कौन से वेव में, ज़रूरी नहीं कि थर्ड वेव का एंड हो, फोर्थ भी आ सकता है, फिफ्थ भी आ सकता है. तो जुड़े रहेंगे. और प्रीमियम प्लस ज्वाइन करना है तो नंबर है 9820861044. उतार चढ़ाव तो रहेंगे इस हफ्ते में, मिड सेशंस में कई बार, अंत होते होते भी कई बार, ऑप्शंस एक्सपिरेशन देर में कई करवटें बदलते रहेगा निफ्टी. ठीक है, तो जुड़े रहें. और आगे जाने के लिए नंबर दिया 9820861044. जय हिंद, जय भारत.